in the corner like a timid girl. We both know that you're an animal, so come and purr. Let your hair down, kick your shoes off, come on out to play. Don't be shy, get out of your